So guys, another episode. Look at, like you didn't know it was gonna happen.
Can we make Long Island today or what? Come on, brother. Oh, shit.
Get out of here. God, this is what happens when you let people have keys to your gate. We're making Long Island's. I don't know about him. Get out of my house! There's a bunch of ways to make Long Island iced teas, okay?
Can we just make some pizza?
No! Get the
I want
out of here! So how you doing? What are you doing today? Alright, Long Island iced teas. Let's get started. Jesus. Add it to your drink. Now you top with Coke or any other cola. We're not sponsored. Send me a sponsor and I'll put your drink in. Beautiful. It doesn't really taste like alcohol. I could drink like 10 of those. It's like I already didn't, right? Yeah, look at the bottle. Need some bread. Hey, bread. Long Island iced tea. That's how you make it according to the original recipe. That's the best way to do it.
Get the out of here. Let me show you how to make a drink, alright? Yeah. We got Bacardi. 1 part rum. Vodka. Now we're making it the bartender way. We don't got the tequila. The gin, right here. Beef fitted gin. 1 part, right here. Most important part right here. You don't know this, but I'm gonna add a little more. Fuck. You still add the Coke. Color it. This is the bartender's way. Cheap and easy, efficient.
You ever made New York style pizza before?
Nah. I know we need some yeast, water.
I think we need flour and water. I don't know what else. You should probably look it up on your phone.
We need 1 cup water, 2/3 cup water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 ounce package of fast rise yeast.
A bit of yeast.
You got flour?
But I got some flour.
You got flour? You got flour. Half teaspoon of salt. And
Salt.
then a tablespoon of cornmeal.
I don't really know if we got cornmeal. I got some bread.
No cornmeal?
No cornmeal. All I got is bread.
We need a bowl. Alright, let's just get a bowl. Alright.
Oh. What we need? A little bit of yeast, right?
1/8 package.
How much bread you trying to
It
make?
just said 1/8. It says 1/8 right here. It says 1/8.
1/8. I don't know. Just put half of it. Oh, jeez. Nah, that'll be fine. I'm sure. It's okay. What could happen? You put too much yeast. What else?
You might get a yeast infection. I had a yeast infection last week.
What's next?
The flour.
How much?
I don't remember.
Reach.
Half a cup.
Right, you gotta measure it.
Oh.
You're supposed to measure. All right. What else we need?
I don't remember.
You remember? Pull out your phone.
We need salt. We need
Okay, salt. We got salt.
Half a cup of salt.
Half a cup. Holy
Hey, where's the shit?
This is a tablespoon, right?
I didn't work it.
No, that's salt. You just pour it out the top.
What kind of is this?
Oh, yeah. Get it in there. Oh, give me that salt. What do we need now?
3/4 cup of water. 3/4 cup.
Okay, 3/4 cup of water. Does it say?
Oh, no, mineral water.
Yeah, we got tap water. God, you got all kinds of in my drink, man.
1 ounce package of fast rise yeast.
We already added that.
Oh. All-purpose flour.
We did
Teaspoon
that.
of salt.
We did
and,
that.
Cornmeal.
We don't have any cornmeal. How much sugar?
I don't know if it's a 1 tablespoon or teaspoon.
Yeah, let's just put that much.
No. And it says hand mix.
Hand mix it. Put your hand in that.
Oh, it doesn't. So I just want to hand mix it myself. A little bit more water. This sticking. Yeah, give me some more water, dude.
I need more. Dude, I don't think you need more water. I think you need a little more flour. Yeah, more flour. There it is.
So you need it for about 5 minutes.
Wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing, they wishing on me. Yeast.
There's some Italy for you.
This is your canvas. This is your. Oh God, you. No.
Yeah!
What the?
Kill myself.